Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Ticketmaster. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ticketmaster.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Ticketmaster. Now in order to sign into your account, click on the sign in button at the top section and use your email address and password to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will be able to see various tickets that you can buy. In order to change your email address, click on the My Account button at the top section and then click on Settings. You will now be taken into the Settings window. Now, once you're on this page, simply scroll down and you will be able to find your email address. You can simply type in your desired new email address and then click on the Update button. Just type in your desired new email and click on the Update button, and you will be asked to confirm your email change by typing in the one-time password that has been sent to your old email address. So simply check your inbox and you will find the authentication code from Ticketmaster. Simply enter this code in the given box and click on the Confirm button. And now your email has successfully been changed. And that is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.